So we are back, and I'm happy that you have tuned in for this episode. Now that you have mastered the first 10 consonant sounds, I'm sure you are going to do very well in learning the other 11 sounds. Let's go! Now, as usual, I'm going to say the sounds 3 times, and then you will say them afterward. Mm, mm, mm. Y, 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 j, 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 w, 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 k, 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 ks, 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 qu, 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 z, 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 p, 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 v, v, v. Now it's your turn. Great job! You have done very well. Keep it up. Now in my next video, we are going to be blending the consonant letter sounds with the vowel letter sounds. I'm so excited because you are on your way to becoming great readers. See you next time.